How to allow camera and microphone access to Facebook and Messenger on laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can allow microphone access to Facebook Messenger on laptop. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So as I said, open up your browser. After opening up your browser, you just need to simply navigate to the settings by tapping on the three dot at the top right. Here you will be able to see settings at the very last option. You just need to scroll down a bit until you see settings. After that, simply tap on settings and wait for it to open. Wait for it to load. It may take some few seconds. After it is loaded, you'll be able to see privacy and security at the left side of the screen. So here I just want you to scroll down a bit until you are able to see site settings. After seeing site settings, you just need to tap on site settings and scroll down until you see permissions. Just scroll down until you see permissions here, and here you'll be able to see camera. So first of all, tap on camera and make sure to toggle this option on that says sites can ask you to use a camera. Just enable this option. After that, you'll be able to see not allowed to use a camera. So if Facebook or Messenger is available there, make sure to remove it from there and allow it to use your camera. You should be able to do that. After that, just get back and this time go to microphone. Same goes here as well. Select sites can ask you to use a microphone. After that, scroll down, and if not allowed, there is a Facebook or Messenger. Make sure to remove it from that option. After that, you can get back, and this time just get back and go to Messenger. After that, whenever you try to video call or call someone, you should be able to see a pop-up message that say allow, and you just need to hit that allow option, and you should be able to get that microphone and camera permissions very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.